Hi guys! I don't really know how to start a video, so I'm just gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do today. I'm getting ready to go out, like to the mall by myself. I'm going alone. Anyways, I'm gonna do like a getting to know me sort of video while I get ready. So yeah, let's just do it because I can't do intros. That is just too awkward for me. So I basically asked like my chat GPT to ask me some questions for my YT. So I'm just gonna be answering that. I don't think I have like seen the questions. I'm just directly reading them in front of you. So yeah. First question is current makeup look. Okay, what happened is I started the video. No, I paused the video and I started talking and then I just now realized that I did not start the video. So I'm gonna do it again. The first question is current makeup look. I only do one kind of makeup look, which is like my 4-step sort of makeup look. I don't do like a lot because I don't know. I don't explore a lot. It's just like concealer, blush, mascara and lip gloss, or lipstick and lip liner. That is it. I don't do much, so that is like my current makeup. Then something I recently started loving about myself, I think my eyes. I hated my eyes for the longest of time. I don't know why, but I just felt like my eyes were really small, but now I love them. They're like really cute, I feel like. And also my lips, I hated my lips too because I felt like I have this V sort of lip which I don't like, but now I love it. I absolutely love it. So yeah. The most embarrassing thing you've done in front of your crush. Okay, I don't know. So I see I've done embarrassing things in front of my like dates, but I've never done anything in front of my crushes. I'll need some time to think about it. Oh yeah, I did one thing which was okay, I really hope they don't see the video because okay, I'll tell you. So what happened, I put a lot of concealer. This is how I put concealers, by the way. Anyways, I was saying that I had a crush on this guy in my society. We were like a situationship, but then he kind of dumped me. I don't know for what. He started liking someone else. Okay, and then I had one guy friend who later became my situationship, and it was a long story. Okay, but that guy, he kind of, so okay, basically there's this guy A and there's this guy B. Okay, so B is like my best friend and A is like my that crush. Okay, so he's kind of dumped me and all. So what I do is I text that guy A saying that something like, no yaar, I still love A, stuff like that. And then later I message that, oh, I'm sorry, I was sending the message to the guy B. And I've done this a lot of times and I'm just so embarrassed because there is a thing. I should be embarrassed and I just don't want to think about it. नहीं तो फिर मुझे खुद पे बहुत hate आने लगता है. But I've done a lot of things like embarrassing stuff and I just don't remember it because it's better to forget about that, literally. Okay, the next question is that what is one girl code that I follow the most? What is it? I think, no wait, let me think. So I don't know if it's a girl code, but there is one thing that I do is, for example, I have like my girlfriend with me, and if she has a crush, so suppose there's a crush, okay, and my girlfriend is right here, so I won't like embarrass her or like say something really meany, what do you say, something mean to her in front of her, because obviously in front of him, because then it'll be like I'm insulting her, and then it's just, I don't know if you get it, but I don't do that. And a lot of girlfriends of mine do that, okay, but I absolutely hate girls that do that, because like, you know how embarrassing it is when you kind of embarrass your friend in front of the crush, right? So you should not do that. Red flag in a friendship. I have a lot of red flags actually in like friendships, but I'll tell you जितना भी मुझे याद है अभी. I recently like started talking about this is that I don't, it's not about friendships, but it is also about people. I don't like people who one up like people. And I'll tell you what one upping is. It is basically, for example, if I say that I scored 93 on 100 in my test, and like one of my friends says that, oh, I scored 97, and then I'll be like, what? Like, it is not a comparison, I'm just telling you something, right? So you don't basically, like, if I'm saying, you know, I'm good at dance, and they'll be like, what, you're good at dance? I'm good at math. Like, I don't know if it makes sense, but I just don't like people who do that. I just feel like it's not a comparison. You are better, you are better than me, but then don't just tell to me, like, just don't one up. Because see, if I make something about myself, I don't want anyone to like compare it. Like, I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah. एंड ये मुझे बहुत पहले से नहीं पसंद था, बट अभी अभी देयर इज, आई स्टार्टेड टू, मतलब मैंने ये वर्ड सुना एंड आई वाज लाइक, या दिस इज द वर्ड दैट आई नेवर लाइक्ड, सो नाउ आई जस्ट हैव वन वर्ड फॉर दैट. सो आई डोंट लाइक friends who do that. I just feel like it is a very, I just don't like that. And again, one red flag, I think it is not a red flag, it's like a thing which people should understand, that you should not make your friend insecure. Like, please don't do that. Like, for example, if I have an insecurity of my hair, for example, okay, and my friend is like, oh, your hair looks so bad, so you should not do that. Even so, you should just not say anything bad to your friend. That is what I really feel like, because you never know how that friend gets affected by your state. Your current biggest stick, I think it is again one-upping people, and I think it's just men. It's just men. I don't know, I'm getting this very bad things by men. I don't know if it makes sense actually. Your guilty pleasure show or movie? Let's talk. It is Friends. Oh my god, let me tell you, I started watching Friends in June or July, and I was like, I was obsessed, okay. एंड फिर मैं सीज़न 2 पे आई, मैं सीज़न 3 पे आई, मैं सीज़न 4 पे आई. मैं लिटरली रोती हूँ whenever एक सीज़न चला जाता है, because then I'm just going to end that show, and I know you can rewatch the show and all, but for me, I don't really like to rewatch things. I don't like to rewatch the movies or anything, because I just feel like अगर ख़त्म किया है तो फिर ख़त्म करो ना, वापस क्यों जाना उसके पास. But then I think I'm gonna rewatch, because abhi I'm on season 10 ka first episode, and I've started to watch it all over again, because I don't want to end that show, because I know that I'm gonna bawl my eyes out, and I'm going to hit my depressive episode again for like a week or two, because I just know that, because Friends is such an awesome show. It's like amazing, bro. Dream girls trip destination? Paris. I would love to visit Paris with my friends. Like, it's just that I have this vision in my mind where I want to, like, I visit Paris for the first time with my best friend, like, not my best friend only, but I want to visit with all of my other girlfriends also. But I just have this vision कि मैं Paris के सामने खुद को अकेले imagine ही नहीं कर सकती हूँ. I really want to go to Paris only with my girl best friends. Like, it would be such a cute thing to do. It would be just a great thing to do, and I really want to do that. So Paris definitely. And I would love to actually visit the whole world with my best friend, but Paris is like the first destination that I would go and visit. Something you wish people talked about more? Everyone knows that. Crimes. People think that I'm like a very big feminist. I am definitely, but I just feel like people should talk more about the crimes that are happening in this world instead of something else. Like, I don't know, like, people are just, I just don't know. And people who know me know that I just don't know if it's correct to say, but I don't know, I just don't like the government. I just don't get a good vibe. But yeah, people don't talk about the crimes that are happening in this world. Like, recently I saw this reel yesterday only, which was about this girl in Bihar, and she was in her hostel, like a freaking girls hostel, okay, and she वो बेहोश हो गई, she fainted and all, and like obviously police complaint हुई थी ये वो, and then after like all the investigation and post पोस्टमार्टम ही रहता है ना, मतलब वो सब जो चेकिंग होता है बॉडी का वगैरह वगैरह, वो सब होने के बाद फेंट होके शी जस्ट डाइड, ओके. सो वो होने के बाद जो भी उसका चेकिंग वगैरह हुआ, पुलिस वगैरह आई, तो पुलिस काइंड ऑफ क्लोज द केस बाय सेइंग दैट the girl was 18 when she was not. She was 18 and she was very much drunk, and that is why she died. Like, she fainted and then she died. But after like the whole I think it's post-mortem, but like the whole checking of the body, after that it was मतलब अभी ये बोलते नहीं है इसके बारे में, but पता चला था कि she was okay, and by not only by one person but by several people, and the hostel उसके ऊपर कोई action ली नहीं गई है. The hostel is still fine, whereas there are no news about it, no one is talking about it. And also let us talk about the MLAs. People are literally laughing about girl security, about all of these situations, about these crimes in the government. How am I supposed to feel secure in my own country if this is the case? Literally, that is psycho. That is, I just don't know. And that is why I always let's not talk about it. Relationships. Now we're gonna answer questions regarding relationships. What's your ideal type? Anyone who knows English as in उसको अच्छी English आनी चाहिए भाई. Like, okay, let us talk. Okay, let me tell you all. Basically, I have had two relationships, okay, and like the first relationship that I had was kind of, it was better, okay, it was better. But the second relationship that I had, now it's been like a year, but I just feel like, what gawar did I date? I don't know if it's right to say, or if people are gonna troll me for saying this, but then, like, what gawar did I date? He did not know English. And I just have this thing in my, like, it's like a red flag for me. And not only like a friendship or relationship, but for even a human. अगर कोई human मेरे से बात कर रहा है, like for example, I am actually talking to this person right now. It's regarding casting and all. So he does not know English, and that's a huge red flag for me. And that is why I'm not talking to him anymore, because like, I just don't know. This is like a red flag for me. So definitely my ideal type is that he should know अच्छा English, क्योंकि अच्छा आना चाहिए भाई, आना चाहिए. And he should be calm and composed and like mature, yes. मुझे कुछ ना मिले, I don't care, but there are two things. Really, like, it's just a good thing for me. It's like a good sign for me. English आनी चाहिए और mature होना चाहिए. And by mature I mean mature, a man, a freaking man, okay. I don't want guys like, I just don't know. I just feel like मैं ये इतने, I think 2 weeks से मैं ये बात कर रही हूँ मेरे friend के साथ, best friend के साथ, and मेरे like friends के साथ basically, कि दुनिया के जितने भी immature, childish लोग हैं, no hate to all of my, no hate to anyone actually, but दुनिया के जितने भी गवार लोग हैं जो like immature है, वो सारे मेरे पास भेज दिए like अभी भी. I don't know if it's like a good thing to say, but like, honestly, like, these people are so immature. Like, my own friends, they're so immature, and I get pissed. Like, I really get pissed. So I really want a person who is mature, and when I mean mature, I really want a mature man, okay. So yeah, what's your biggest turn on and turn off? Again, English आनी चाहिए. अगर कोई लड़के को English आती है ना, I think it is very rare, because I just feel like men भी नहीं बोलूँगी, guys are just dumb, I feel like. But anyways, turn on is this, that he knows English and he's mature. यही होगा turn on. And turn off is everything, क्योंकि I'm a very impulsive person, okay. So मैं, मतलब अगर मेरे बाजू में, अगर मैं थोड़ी सी पिस्ट हूँ ना, और मेरे बाजू में अगर कोई सांस ले रहा है तो भी मैं गुस्सा हो जाती हूँ. I'm like, भाई तू सांस क्यों ले रहा है? लाइक कल ही माई ब्रदर वॉज कफिंग अ लॉट, एंड आई वॉज लाइक, भाई 2 मिनट के लिए शांत नहीं बैठ सकता है क्या? तो बिकॉज इट्स अगेन इट इज़ इरिटेटिंग, ओके. बट या, आई एम अ वेरी इम्पल्सिव पर्सन, तो इट्स लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक छोटी चीज़ें भी मुझे बहुत इरिटेट करती है. सो या, that is my biggest turn off. I don't know if it makes sense, but I just don't like, I think everything is a turn off. When a person gives too many like curse words, like again it's not a turn off, but अगर हिंदी में गालियाँ दे रहा है तो फिर वो थोड़ा मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है, पता नहीं, मैं ही देती हूँ बट फिर भी. Do you text first or wait? I really feel like it doesn't matter. मेरे इसमें ना मुझे नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता है मैं किसको टेक्स्ट कर रही हूँ पहले या क्या वगैरह वगैरह. बट अगैन if that person means a lot to me, I will text first. If that person means nothing to me and if that person has this अकड़ में रहता है ना लोग कि भाई मैं तो 4 घंटे बाद ही टेक्स्ट करूँगा, whereas he's posting stories and all, not he but सबके बारे में बात करें, तो फिर मुझे गुस्सा आता है कि भाई इफ़ आई एम टेक्सटिंग यू देन प्लीज़ टेक्स्ट मी, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट दैट आई एम इम्पेशेंट और समथिंग, बट ये अकड़ मुझे नहीं दिखानी. इट्स लाइक दैट. सो आई डोंट लाइक व्हेन अ पर्सन हैज़ दैट थिंग कि मैं 4 घंटे बाद रिप्लाई करूँगा, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट लुकिंग कूल, इट इज़ लुकिंग immature, it is looking that you don't care and you're just not a human. I just don't know, it's very inhuman to do these kind of things. So that is like, it doesn't really matter to me. मैं text कर देती हूँ, मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. But yeah, I would really love if you would text first. मेरा blush बहुत कम लग रहा है, so I'm gonna apply a little more blush. How do you get over someone you never dated? Wrong person, okay, but I don't know, because my biggest heartbreak was from the person that I never dated. I was in a situationship with that person and I just never moved on. I feel like now I have. It's been 4 years, I feel like. I don't remember, but it's been 4 years and I had a very bad habit. I don't know, it's just really bad and I'm very like, I just regret that decision so much. That is, I had this habit of just going after a person back to back. Like for example, if I have a crush, okay, and if I am like, I'm just like, okay, for example, so if I have a crush A, okay, and if something has happened between us, so I will like, and like it's just he's not talking to me anymore, for example, like that, okay, so I will just leave that person and I will find myself another crush. It was a habit for I think 2 to 3 years मुझे वो habit थी. And also so I used to not date वो time पे, because I just felt like situationships are so much better, and I still feel that, okay, so I have not changed my mind on that. But again, I had this very bad habit. So for this person, I just don't know, I was in a situationship with that person and I don't know, I just never moved on. And like when like our situationship kind of ended, I did not find myself another guy, but this guy liked me, so I was talking with him and then we started dating. So and then when we were dating, I realized that I do not like, I like this guy, but again I've not moved on from my situationship. So and I feel so guilty because I'm not a bad person and I did something, so it's just a very guilty thing for me. I don't want to say it out loud, but I did. So yeah, but then I just realized that I do these things, so I kind of stopped dating. I stopped finding crushes and all, and now I'm like just all by myself. But sometimes I just hate, because having crushes is so much fun. Like you can just find 4 guys in front of you and they're like, oh my god, he's cute, like that, but you don't want to date them. So now even if I have crushes, I don't want to date them. It's like that. Yeah, because I want to move on from everything that has happened to my life. And I'm saying ki, and I have moved on right now, but I don't know how I did. I just did. What's your opinion on situationships? I feel like they are just the best, okay? If you're young, even like, I just feel like जब तक आपका खुद का ऐसा कुछ life नहीं बनता है, तभी तक आप situationships में रहो. Because me, I'm 16. I dated someone a year ago. No, 2 years ago. We were in a relationship for a year. And now, I regret that. I literally, whenever someone's like, did you date that person? I'm like, no, I did not. He's not my ex, because I just regret dating that person. Like, why would I date that person? Like, why? But yeah. Anyway, so I just feel like situationships are so much better, because then you don't have that, you are just gonna, because situation में कौन पूछता है, you're just like, I date that person, वगैरह. Like, do you get it? Yeah. Should girls make the first move? See, for me, it doesn't really matter. I think if I like someone, I just confess. I'm not like, please date me. I'm not like that. I'm just like, okay, I like you. And by God's grace, I'm touch wood बोलूँ क्या नहीं, but ठीक है, it's like always whenever I like someone, that guy has always liked me, so मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ rejection वगैरह का नहीं हुआ है, because और मुझे पता चल जाता है if this person likes me or not, so it was not like a thing, but I just feel like it's not like a big thing if you just make the first move. If you want to like be in a relationship, just say that I like you. Don't be like, oh my god, will you be my Valentine? Don't do that. That is not something girls do. So for that, I'm no, but like if you want to just like someone, you want to date someone, then maybe you could just make a first move. It doesn't really matter. But something you've recently learned about self-love. A very deep question. These questions are deep plus real girl talk wale. I don't know, self-love can be irritating. It can be, because I'll tell you, yesterday night I had an everything shower today. So yesterday night I was just like, I'll oil my hair, I'll tie them in a braid, I'll do my skincare. सब हो गया, मैं braid करने वाली थी, बट मेरे से ब्रेड हो ही नहीं रही थी. मैं लिटरली 15 मिनट्स मैं ऐसे मैं बेड पे लेटी हूँ, आई एम डूइंग दिस, ब्रेड बन ही नहीं रही थी मेरे से. बट लाइक सेल्फ लव कैन बी इरिटेटिंग एंड इट्स जस्ट आई डोंट नो. But I feel like one thing that I've recently learned about self-love is that your Indian parents would never kind of accept, like for me, my this thing is making me shut my mouth. No one shuts me up. By the way, this lip liner is by Mars. It's called Edge of Desire. It's in the shade 04 Scandalous Brown. It is the most awesome lip liner ever. I use a Swiss Beauty वाला. I still have it. Wait. That lip liner, वो बहुत जल्दी टूट जाता था एंड वो बहुत सेंसिटिव है, वेरस इसको मैं कितना भी दबाऊँ कुछ नहीं होता है इसको. हमारे पेरेंट्स ना, लाइक आई जस्ट फील लाइक आवर पेरेंट्स हैव ऑलवेज काइंड ऑफ टोल्ड अस बचपन से कि यू हैव टू प्रायोरिटाइज पीपल ओवर यू एंड लाइक मतलब आपको आप हमेशा बाद में रखो और लोगों को पहले रखो, विच इज़ सच अ बैड टीचिंग. आई फील लाइक अगेन दैट इज़ देयर फर्स्ट टाइम लिविंग ऑल्सो, सो वी कांट ब्लेम देम. दे हैव लर्न दैट फ्रॉम देयर पेरेंट्स. सो इट्स जस्ट दैट इंडियन पीपल ओवरऑल वही बोलता है कि लाइक you should not prioritize yourself first, but I just feel like that is not how life works. So obviously if someone comes, मेरे घर पे कोई गेस्ट आता है तो obviously मैं उनको इन्वाइट करूँगी, उनसे अच्छे से बात करूँगी, बट डजंट मीन कि मैं दूसरों को मेरे ऊपर रखूँगी. लाइक डू यू गेट इट? सो या, एंड देन दैट इज़ वाई आई थिंक आवर पेरेंट्स आर जस्ट, इट्स लाइक अ वेरी हार्ड थिंग फॉर देम. लाइक उनके लिए ये टर्म सेल्फ लव, सेल्फ टाइम वगैरह वगैरह, सेल्फ केयर वगैरह, दिस इज़ अ वेरी बिग थिंग फॉर देम. इट्स लाइक दे जस्ट डू नॉट एक्सेप्ट इट. लाइक फॉर मी, मेरा सेल्फ लव का तरीका है कि मैं डिस्टेंट करती हूँ लोगों को मेरे से. लाइक इफ़ आई जस्ट फील वेरी बैड, आई फील वेरी, I just don't know, but I just distance myself and I feel so much better when I'm not around people, I feel like. So, and इसके लिए I don't have a lot of friends. So जब मेरी 10th ख़त्म हुई थी, there was just a lot of things going on in my life. So मेरे पापा मुझे बोलते थे तो दोस्त नहीं है क्या? So मुझे बार बार बोलते थे, and I'm like नहीं है दोस्त, because I don't want to make friends. So do you get it? So it's just that for Indian parents, it's just self-love is very difficult. Like I don't know if the question was related to this, but this is one thing that I've learned about self-love. How do you deal with overthinking or insecurity? I don't. See, for overthinking मैं कभी overthinking करती नहीं हूँ, मैं underthink करती हूँ, because I don't know how. I just don't find myself overthinking कभी भी. मैं कभी कोई चीज़ के लिए overthink नहीं करती हूँ. And it is, मैं पहले बोलती हूँ और फिर मैं think करती हूँ कि मैंने क्या बोला, ठीक है. So I'm crazy like that, but yeah, I want a setting spray. I'm just gonna bring that. So for me, so okay, let me tell you a thing, is that if you want to get over something, you have to get through it, ठीक है. So फिर उसके लिए ऐसा तुम लोग के पास कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है, बिकॉज आई जस्ट फील लाइक सबके लिए एक नेचुरल प्रोसेस रहती है अबाउट लाइक देयर प्रॉब्लम्स, कि अगर मेरी लाइफ में कुछ होता है, सपोज आई एम वेरी इनसिक्योर अबाउट लाइक ऑफ समवन और समथिंग लाइक दैट, ठीक है. तो आई फील लाइक जैसे मैं इनसिक्योरिटी को डील कर रही हूँ, वैसे कहीं ना कहीं इट्स जस्ट सेम जैसे मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड डील कर रही है. सो आई जस्ट डोंट फील कि कोई शॉर्टकट है. That is why I don't put clips, because look at this happens मेरे बालों को. But yeah, I was saying कि it's just, I don't know, I just feel like there is no shortcut to deal with something. I just want to say that my makeup looks so damn pretty. Yeah, let's go to the next question. अब मेरा मेकअप ख़त्म हो गया, सो अब मैं बस क्वेश्चंस आपको आंसर करूँगी आपके लिए. बोलती रहती हूँ मैं. Yeah. Have you ever not felt good enough? How did you handle it? I felt not good enough. That I'm not good enough for, I think, most of the time. मतलब 9th and 10th, for me 9th and 10th I hate जब मैं 14-15 की थी. हाय कबूतर. You know, मेरा और कबूतर का कुछ रिश्ता है, because I just don't know, whenever I'm like near the balcony, the kabutar is always here. Anyways, I was saying कि for me, जब मैं 14 की थी, I think मैं 14 की थी, 14-15 मेरे लिए अच्छा नहीं था, because I was dealing with the feeling of not being good enough. In studies, I was not good enough. People used to compare me कि मैं अच्छी नहीं हूँ, ये वो. People used to, and that is why I started comparing myself. So because I am a very, I just feel like मेरा mind फिर भी strong है. I just don't get affected very easily. But I started getting affected by people and all. So I just don't know how I dealt with it. But I just feel like you have to accept. अगर आप studies में अच्छे नहीं हो तो आप किसी में तो अच्छे हो. लाइक मैं डांस में अच्छी हूँ, मैं बोलने में अच्छी हूँ, आई एम गुड एट मेकिंग वीडियोज़, आई एम गुड एट मेकअप, एंड मे बी टॉपर इज़ नॉट गुड एट दैट. लाइक आई हैव लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स जिनको लाइक 90% आया एंड मुझे 90% नहीं आया है. सो एंड आई जस्ट एक्सेप्टेड कि मुझे नहीं आए, बिकॉज मे बी आई एम जस्ट नॉट गुड इनफ इन दैट फील्ड. बट इट डजंट मीन कि मैं किसी में भी अच्छी नहीं हूँ. आई एम गुड एट समथिंग एल्स, जो मेरे दोस्त अच्छे नहीं हैं. सो आई जस्ट फील लाइक आई एक्सेप्टेड दैट. आई एक्सेप्टेड कि आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ इन सम थिंग्स. एंड या, यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट टू, बिकॉज एक्सेप्टेंस, I just feel like people need to accept some things about themselves. So yeah. How do you manage when you feel left out or replaced? So अगर मैं relationship की बात करूँ, when I am replaced, like when I'm cheated on or something, I just leave that relationship, because for me, मैं कोई भी बंधी मैं नहीं हूँ कि I should be in a relationship with you if I'm getting replaced. That is what I feel like. And even in friendships, I just distant myself when I feel that I'm being replaced. Left out, I was always left out, I feel like. मैं फर्स्ट सेकंड में थी तभी भी मैं फ्रेंड ग्रुप में होती थी, बट मेरे को हमेशा कच्चा नींबू बनाया जाता था. एंड मतलब मुझे नहीं, आई टेल यू, बेसिकली मेरा एक फ्रेंड ग्रुप होता है, था मेरे बचपन में. एंड मेरा भाई इज़ 2 years younger than me. सो ही वॉज ऑलवेज लाइक, उसको ना हमेशा रनिंग गेम्स, सब लोग को हमेशा रनिंग गेम्स खेलने होते हैं. जाना तुझे मेरे को देखना है क्या? हाँ, सो सबको हमेशा रनिंग गेम्स खेलने होते थे, बट मुझे हमेशा सिटिंग गेम्स और या घर वगैरह खेलना होता था. एंड दैट इज़ वाई लाइक माई फ्रेंड्स डिड नॉट रियली लाइक मी. तो एंड ऑल्सो जब भी हम लोग कोई भी रनिंग गेम खेलते थे, लाइक अगर तुम लोग को पता है साखड़ी करके गेम होता है, जहाँ पे तुम नहीं साखड़ी नहीं, पार्टनर्स का जो गेम रहता है ना, जिसमें 2 लोग का पार्टनर्स रहता है, वो गेम में हमेशा मुझे कोई भी बेबी के साथ पार्टनर कराया जाता था, बिकॉज नो वन टुक मी. सो जब भी सपोज देयर आर लाइक 5 people, सबके पार्टनर्स हो रहे हैं और मेरे मतलब सब लोग, सपोज A-B है तो फिर A विल चूज़ B, C विल चूज़ D, बट नो वन विल चूज़ मी. एंड oh, that rhymed, but no one will choose me. And I felt like that is, but मुझे ऐसा कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता. I was like, ठीक है ना यार, it's fine. and मुझे बेबीज़ पसंद थे तो मैं उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लेती थी. बट आई फील लाइक अभी तो मैं लेफ्ट आउट नहीं फील होता है मुझे, बिकॉज अभी मेरे दोस्त भी बहुत कम है. बट I don't know how do we deal with that, because I dealt with it, but I don't know how to deal with it. Like, does it make sense? I just feel like तुम लोग खुद से डील करने लगोगे, तुम लोग को खुद से ही समझ में आएगा. आई जस्ट फील लाइक यू नीड टू फिगर आउट थिंग्स बाय योर ओन. देयर इज़ नो शॉर्टकट. अगर मेरे लिए कुछ चीज़ वर्क करती है, इट डजंट मीन कि आपके लिए भी वो चीज़ वर्क करेगी. यू हैव टू गेट थ्रू इट. अगर मेरे साथ कुछ लाइफ चेंजिंग एकदम डाउन द हिल समथिंग हैपन्स ना, आई कांट जस्ट सर्च ऑन वीडियोज़ कि भाई मैं क्या करूँ करके, राइट? बिकॉज अगैन for me, I have to deal with it. That is why God has sent that problem in my life, right? Does it make sense? But yeah. What's one piece of advice you'd give to your younger self? my younger self was like the baddest bee I've ever seen. भाई उसको फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था लोग उसके बारे में क्या सोचते थे. She used to be so like मुँहफट. She used to be like भाई तू मेरे बारे में बुरा बोला अब तुझे मारूंगी. It was like that, okay. But I think my younger self is just such a great person. I feel like मेरे younger self को मुझे advice देनी चाहिए. But I would just be like, do not ever change. Do not date people. Yeah, do not change. Just be what you are. Just don't be sweet. You are rude. Be rude, because I want to be that rude. How do you know when it's time to let go of a person or friendship or a habit? Okay, there is this there's this philosophy that I really like believe, which is that when you, okay, so for example, if I'm dating a person, okay, and that person is doing some shitty things, like he's cheating on me, he's talking to a lot of girls, and he's making me feel insecure, ye wo. So what I do is I imagine myself with that person. I will imagine myself like getting married to that person, or like just stuff like that, like my future with him, okay? And if I don't see myself happy, if I don't see myself just grateful for what I'm having, and if I just don't see myself with him in the future, like ऐसा होता है कि okay, for me, my ex best friend, I knew that I had to let go of her when I saw my future with her, and I was just like, मतलब future with her as in कि ऐसा रहता ना कि now for example I have a best friend Shreya, okay. So for me, I think about her. I am like, भाई हम लोग पेरिस में जाएंगे तो हम लोग ये करेंगे, अरे हम लोग कोरिया में जाएंगे तो हम लोग ये करेंगे, वैसा सब. सो आई थिंक कि आई नो कि मैं ये चीज़ करूँगी उसके साथ ये फ्यूचर में. मुझे पता है कि जब भी when she'll get married, I know how I'll feel, and I imagine myself doing all of those things, okay. But with my ex best friend I never did, because the way she made me feel, I just feel like मुझे वो टाइम पे पता था कि मैं फ्यूचर में उसके साथ नहीं रहने वाली हूँ, because she made me feel like trash, okay. She made me feel so bad कि मुझे पता था कि मुझे मेरे फ्यूचर सेल्फ को नहीं इतना सफ़र करने देना है. सो आई न्यू दैट आई हैड टू लेट गो ऑफ हर. when I kind of imagine my future with her, I was just like, नहीं यार, I don't want to be with her, because she's gonna be the same जो फ्यूचर में रहने वाली है. एंड मैं ये एक्चुअली इवन एग्जाम्पल मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड को भी दिया था, बट उसको समझ में नहीं आता है वो. मैं बताइए ना, सब इमेच्योर लोग भेजे हैं मेरी लाइफ में, वही है वो एक इमेच्योर लड़का. But anyways, I just feel like when you want to let go of a person or like a relationship, you need to like imagine yourself with that person in the future. Okay, I'm gonna finish this quickly because अभी फ़ोन गर्म हो गया है भाई. But yeah, अभी कोई funny ones है. There are only 4 questions left, so I'll quickly answer them. What's your recent celebrity crush? Yeah, that person from Euphoria. I think it's Jacob something. Wait, I'll have to search. But I'm getting like reels uske and all, and I feel he's very cute, but he looks like a red flag. I don't know. Yeah, that person definitely for sure. His name is Nate Jacobs. Yeah, he so cute. He's not like a celebrity crush, but he was just cute. Kidhar ya bhai? Yeah, Jacob Elordi, something like that. Okay, he's so cute. He's cute. Anyways, what's the weirdest DM you've ever gotten? I get weird DMs bhai. I really do. मतलब मुझे बहुत weird DMs मिलते हैं, because men follow me obviously, but one now that I remember, अभी like now अभी क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं. So अभी जो मुझे याद है, it was like 2-3 years ago का एक DM, which was that this one guy, he was like pretending that I'm his girlfriend, and he was like, hi baby, did you miss me, or something like that. Hi baby, why not texting me, or are you missing me, something like that. I don't know. But bhai, he was like 30-40 ka banda, and yeah, weird people around here. Who would you rather get stuck in a lift with, your ex or your enemy? I wouldn't mind to get stuck with anyone. It's really fine. I could get stuck in a lift with even my ex or my enemy. It doesn't really matter. क्या बोलूँगी मैं, शांत रह जाऊँगी, फ़ोन पर रख दूँगी. It doesn't really matter. So both, it's okay. What's your delulu but fun fantasy? Pretending that I'm on Vogue. It is. Every girl does that. You are not allowed to judge me, ठीक है? But yeah, I pretend कि मैं Vogue पे हूँ because fake it till you make it. Yeah, but that is what I do. Yeah, that is it. I hope you all got to know me a little more. But did I tell you my age? Did I? ये मुझे स्टार्टिंग में बोलना चाहिए था. I am 16. I am a science student. I am a content creator. I'm kind of like a YouTuber also now. And I just figure out things. I figure out feelings. I figure out situations. And I'm a very confused person. I just love talking, and I love makeup. I love dancing, and I love making videos. That is like my favorite thing to do. So yeah, that is it. That was like a quick little intro for you. Bye bye.